Hey, good morning from Eastern North Carolina. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. I'm gonna do a video walkthrough on Aquaholic. It is a 310 SLX with twin 350 horsepower Mercury Verados. I have less than 20 hours of use on them. It's got the gray sea deck on the swim platform, stone colored cushions throughout. Got great storage. This whole hatch lifts up. That's where the cockpit table is stored that has the teak overlay. Just a ton of storage. Battery switches are in this box walking on board, so it's easy to cut on and off. Got your freshwater shower system. Optional boarding step. If you're coming from a fixed dock, it's easy to flip that down and step in. Inside the boat, you can see you got the sea deck continues throughout. Get a better look at this stone interior as well. Love this color. The horizon hull color on the outside and this stone color on the inside. Got a big old subwoofer there. It does have the upgraded sound system. It's hard to tell, but you can see, might be able to see in the video, some lighting in the speakers. Has the sunroof as well. I love that open at night. You know, when you're out cruising, all these lights, underwater lights everywhere, open that up. It's just an awesome boat to entertain on. Tons of seating for your family. You've got a refrigerator here. Up top, you've got a grill, wet bar, sink. Coming over, it's got the Simrad, two 12-inch displays. There's your joystick that everybody wants. Autopilot Seakeeper, autopilot Skyhook. Tied into there, VHF radio option. There's the head unit for that Fusion stereo control. It's also Bluetooth ready. Over here on the port side, up in this console, you've got a very nice vacuum flush head. Has a macerator pump for overboard discharge. Upgraded interior tile. This seat spins around. Take a look at the photos, but you can make this whole area just nice seating area. This hatch opens up here for storage down below. That's your base for the cockpit table. Coming up to the bow, you've got storage in this console. That is where the bow filler cushion is stored, along with the filler boards. You got storage underneath both these cushions. You got the remote spotlight, stainless anchor. Got a freshwater faucet up here. Pop this open for you. Anchor windlass. You can control it from the helm, and you've got a remote up here. Non-skid, stainless hardware. Just a ton of storage in this boat for your bags and all the goodies that come along with the amount of people that this boat can handle. It's yacht certified, so if you have life jackets for them and they can fit on board, you can put them on here. This upholstery is in great shape. Really appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a 310, this is an awesome boat. Again, these motors have less than 20 hours on them. They're 350 horsepower. This boat is a true performer underway. There's the extended sunshade up at the hard top ski bit. If you like to do water sports, you can do it. Fix your rope there. Boat also, when it was purchased, the owner opted for the upgraded 8-year warranty on the motors. It has the Vantage protection plan on the seat cushions as well as the hull side, and it also has pre-purchase maintenance that is good for it was from 3 years from the date of purchase, so there's some maintenance that's already been prepaid on the boat for the next owner. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Give us a call. My name's Andy Farmer. I work with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Talk to you soon.